getting ready to pull up the tank so we can put the tank cover on it. And then I had the idea, if like at the bottom the yellow shows, I'm gonna vinyl wrap it gloss black so it matches. That's where we at with it. So just 2 Allen bolts right there, and it pops up. You know what I'm saying? That's it. All right, guys, for the tank cover, it's not like lining up, it's way too straight up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna heat it. We already put the bolts back in with the washer. We're gonna slowly apply pressure so it could start straightening out the way it's supposed to. And then we're gonna let it cool off, and then we're gonna wrap the bottom where it shows yellow. Just be careful you don't burn the...
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's looking good. So what you wanna do is you wanna like get it warm in these creases right here. So if you wanna, aim it pretty good. You want them to like...
Sí, pero es que quema la
pintura, yeah, that's true.
Si la toca se está derritiendo. Viste, está poniendo color.
Yeah. Alright. Let me see. I think that's the ticket right there, bro. Look at that.
Ooh.
You can't even see yellow over here, bro. That's fine, bro. You come on, look at this side. You can't see yellow on this side.
Nah.
Yeah, can you see it on the other side? Like a slim? Yeah, that's cool. You know, these aren't supposed to be retrofit, but bro, I could wrap that right there, bro. You'd never be able to tell. This is gonna look sick, bro.
That's good.
They gonna think it was painted, boy. Like, we're gonna let it cool off. I'm gonna go grab the wrap, and then we'll wrap the bottom. Alrighty, guys. So the tank covers pretty well, but this specific area right here shows. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some gloss black vinyl, and I'm going to wrap it so it creates a cover for the fairing.
Wow.
So it's gonna look pretty sick. It was like from right here to right here, right?
Yeah, all the way in the back.
Which way?
Yeah.
Right about there, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. He's gonna get the tank painted later on, but for now, this is definitely gonna do. Huh? Look at that. I'm telling you, bro. You're not gonna be able to see it. Do you think I need to come from here now, right? I think it was from right there, right? Hopefully, right? I'm ready to put it back on and stuff. Right there. So it looks sick. Alrighty, guys, so we were trying to put the tail fairing on, but the rectifier was getting in the way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove it and replace it right in here with this band. Boop, put it in there, it's gonna be straight to go. So that's what it is. Alrighty, Two Bros family. Once we figured out where to relocate the rectifier, we then moved on to doing the side fairings. While working on the side fairings, we were able to learn that sometimes when you order these eBay kits from these eBay fairing kits from China, you may have to re-drill some holes, make them a little bigger, just basically adjust because they're aftermarket. They're not a factory fit. We also ended up doing the side markers, and then after we were done with that, we moved on to the back, to the rear swing arm extension kit that Ephraim bought from eBay. This process, you have to remove the chain, you have to extend the chain, you're extending the swing arm, you're putting the new tire, new rotor on it, and new sprocket kit that he bought. We also changed the oil, getting the bike ready for the season. This whole process was beautiful to be able to do this and do this bike just right by making it look completely new, completely better. And for a 2004, it looks beautiful. At the end here, where I'm going to post some pictures of the finished product. And I just want to thank everybody for showing support, watching our videos, and just taking the time out of your day to view our content. Thank you again. And until next time, Two Bros Garage out.